welcome back to my vlog channel. I wanted to start this vlog off, just a random vlog. I went to Home Goods. I know I never show myself in Home Goods or stores because yeah, it's just weird. I picked up 3 things because I had a credit for 3 things. The first thing is this eye mask, which is leopard. Second is going to be this Goody Ouchless ponytail holders. I don't have hair, but when I wear a wig, these come in handy. I also got this notebook right here, and it just has like these stickers on it. It says girl vibes, sweet, yay, cactuses, rollerblades, sweet, strong, be kind. Now moving on to Home Goods. I did not plan for all this stuff to coordinate, but it does. So the first thing that I needed was some hangers, and I thought I was gonna go to the dollar store to find my black hangers, the ones I normally have in my closet. They didn't have any left. So I went to Home Goods and I got these cute pink ones with the rose gold hanger handle. And these are from Laurel and Pine. They come in a set of 12. So I'm going to be putting these in my closet. Next I got is this cute dustpan and brush because my bathroom always has hair on the floor and we need to get a hold of it. I'm tired of vacuuming, so we got this. Also picked up this Fiberware frosted sink strainer. We have one, but my parents hate it, so I said, you know what, this one's easy to get in, get out, has like a little handle here for you to hold. And this right here, I got some felt tip pens that can go with my notebook. That is the haul. I wanted to start this vlog off because tomorrow I'm getting a new desk in my room. I have a desk that you guys see me do all my editing on my iMac, but the I need like a workstation, and that's really not a workstation. That's just like a computer where I edit, and I need something where I can sit down and read or sit down and do my work when I go back to work. Hey guys, welcome back. I think it's the next day. Just picked up the dresser, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. This is how it's looking. Love it. These drawers come out. I'm gonna clean the inside of them. Right now I just cleaned the top. It's still wet. I've been cleaning it with this stuff. I also got some Five and Below stuff, and I'm gonna show you guys later, but right now I'm gonna clean the inside. So I want to show you guys what I got from Five and Below. The first thing that I got is this LED wall light that I'm gonna put up over there somewhere. Also got this green succulent. It looks like that. Got some batteries because that takes batteries. I also got a screen protector and a phone case. I got this, which is pretty cool. It's a quiz book. Basically, you could take a whole bunch of quizzes to get to know yourself a little bit better, which I do, but I just thought it would be cool to use to spend time or waste time with. And I got this orange shirt, which I love. So let me show you that before. So this is the before, and that seat I already had. All right guys, so this is the look. This is how it is looking. I love it. It is amazing. Hi guys, so I just got back from Target. I want to show you guys what I got. Alright guys, so I am donating some clothes. So I'm using this bag to donate it to Goodwill and Savers. I got rid of some stuff, not clothes. I got rid of a lot of other stuff. That was like some books over there. I got rid of some jewelry, and I cleaned out my junk drawer. I mean, it's still a little bit junky, but this is the stuff that I'm using, so yeah. So I think that is it for the bag of stuff that I'm giving away. Got a lot right here so far, so I can check that off my list of things to do. Okay. Cool job, Dad. Alright guys, so I just got back from food shopping. Here are the cubes. Red pepper, corn, green pepper, yellow and orange pepper, steak, and tomatoes. And last but not least, lettuce. Let's get cooking. Start off with the sticks. I already oiled the pan. I'm going to corn's cooking now. Right, shish kebabs are done. I'm gonna add pepper, seasoning, all that stuff. And then I'm going to add my balsamic white rice. Corn is cooking, it should be done soon. Just wanted to give you guys an update. We're doing great.